question number 6. Okay? It says a spherical balloon is inflated at a rate of 16 feet cubed per minute. Okay? How fast is the radius changing at the instant that the radius equals 2 feet? Okay? So, for this problem, it's important to see that it's asking for how fast the radius is changing. Okay? At the instant that the radius equals 2 feet. Okay? So since it says how fast the radius is changing, okay, that's a key that this is a related rates problem. Okay? So in related rates problems, we want to first write down everything that is given. Okay? So a spherical balloon is inflated at a rate of 16 feet cubed per minute. Okay? That means that dV over dt should equal 16 feet cubed per minute. Okay? Alright. Then it's how fast the radius is changing at the instant that the radius is 2 feet. Okay? So that means the radius equals 2. Okay? Alright. So, and then we have to figure out what we're looking for. That's how fast the radius is changing. That means dr over dt. Okay? Alright, so since we were given information about the volume, okay, it's probably important to know the volume of this spherical balloon. Okay? So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? Alright, so we have our equation. Now, for related rates, we take the derivative with respect to time. So d by dt of both sides. Okay? That'll result in, alright, derivative of volume with respect to time is dv over dt. Okay? And the derivative of this side, okay, 4/3 pi doesn't change. Okay? So then take the derivative of r cubed with respect to time, and we get 3r squared times dr over dt. Okay? This is just like implicit differentiation. Okay? So now we have our equation. Okay? Let's simplify it a little bit. Okay? So we see that the 3's can cancel out. So dv over dt is going to equal 4 pi r squared dr over dt. Okay? So now we're at a point when we can plug in all of our information. Okay? So dv dt equals 16. We have 16, okay, equals 4 pi, okay, times r squared. So r is 2, so it's 2 squared. 2 squared. Okay? Then dr dt, we don't know, because that's what we're trying to find out. Okay? So, all we have to do is find out what dr over dt is. Okay? So simplifying this, we get 16 is going to equal 4 pi times 4. Okay? So we get 16 equals 16 pi dr over dt. Divide both sides by 16 pi, and we're going to get 1 over pi equals dr over dt. Okay? And that is C. And that's the answer.